Okay, welcome back to Duro3 YouTube channel. This is part 3 of the 4 rotator disassembly. This is another 1102 rotator. This one has got a bit more electrolysis on it. Not bad. So it's got a label on the bottom, all in Japanese. So we're going to strip this one down. So this is, as I said, this is an 1102. This is the third of the ones from the customer. So we'll get this all stripped down. Probably didn't need to use the impact gun on these, but whatever. It was there ready. This is only a stripped down video to see what needs to be done with these rotators. As usual, I'm going to cut the wires off because it's just less time consuming for the disassembly. At least then I can actually refer back to this for where the colours go. And I'll be doing some different things with it anyway, especially with the brake. We'll put that inside. Well, turn it upside down. We'll remove the weather seal. This again is in pretty good condition. It's okay. We'll remove the base plate, if you want to call it that. That way, one less thing to do. And they come out pretty easily. Let's see if I can actually get up through here. Push that out. Yeah, it's what they're trying to get the paper off when I clean it up. Maybe not. See how we go. Okay. While we're upside down, have a sticky beak in the bottom there. Oh, the grease looks pretty manky. You probably can't see, but there's not enough light there. I can see it. Okie dokie. Change to the 10mm. Oh, this has got electrolysis, I reckon. Just a little bit. Okay. Let's put that away out. Yeah, it's just a little bit of electrolysis, not much. But that's the normal thing that happens with these. These have been done up pretty tight. So again, this one probably is the original grease, I would reckon. Never been serviced in its life. Another abused rotator, I'd say. Okay, grab our two jeweler screwdrivers. Our first thing we need to do is, now we might have to give us a bit of a knock. Let's see if we can separate it. Once we can separate it a bit, so we've got it all separated. Really like my finger. Okay, the two wedges down in here. Looks like they've actually got a bit of grease on them, which is not a good thing for these. One there. Right direction. The other one sitting there. They look like they've got grease on them, which tends to stick the whole thing up. So we shall see if I can get them to go back. They did. Okay. Okay. Bearings. The grease is actually black around the bearings, and this is more toffee-like. Oh, no, they didn't do it. I didn't show you the part number for the. I'll do that in a second. I want to get the rest of it done. My bad. Not an escapee there. Come on. Doing things at the wrong order. Just trying to get these things done. Sort of running out of time with these, but we'll get them done. So strip these down. Come back here. what I meant to do before was show the serial number. You can just see it, just focus, light in that direction. J, was it 1084? J1084, but there's no, I couldn't find any end or anything on the back of it, so that's all good. So that's that one there. Let's put these bearings over here with the rest of them. Okay, let's see what surprises we've got in the top. Something was on me here. Okay. Grease everywhere. And very sticky grease too. Very sticky grease. Okay. Those out of there. Another sticky, oh yuck. Ooh, yeah, that's a bit harder to pull out. Click, click, click. They weren't rolling anywhere fast. Okay. Comes out. Put that over that. The rest of these yucky grease, if you can call it grease. Maybe I should call it toffee because that's what it feels like at the present moment. Okie dokie. Well, the brake wedges do go in and out, which is amazing. Okay, bearings aside. Righto. Allergies again, jeez. Righto, let's change to the number 3 screwdriver. Let's get this. Oh, these are loose. Oh, out. I suppose that's going to be too tight, but yeah, that's better. I need to have a little bit of a hammer gun on it. Yeah, that's better. Okay, goes there. Get back over there. Oh, this plate's stuck. Yuck. Oh yeah, it's gone off. That. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty manky. Now we need another tray for the gears. I can go with that. Okay. Here we go again. Let's see if we can lever this up without the blasted shafts coming with it. I wholly doubt the whole thing just wanted to come up then. Yep. So that's not a good sign. Let's see if I can. Wow. Damn it. Just trying to get those shafts to stay where. Just do a gradual lift up. Just had to get a little punch just to. So what we'll do is we'll try and lift it up. So we knock the shaft back into its. The shaft should slide out. Shouldn't have to be hammered out. Jeez, or in. Right, that worked. Righty howdy. You want me to hold them in there? No, you're not coming out there yet. Okay, right, hooray for that. No, you go out of there. Yep, out. Now this grease is really. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Now the whole thing wants to come out. Oh. Yeah, shaft. It's been spinning. I can't even grab that. whole shaft is wedged in there. Oh crap! Jesus. I'll have to be stripped down. Grease everywhere. Right, let's get this. Where is it? Oh, there's a gap. Let's get this grease all over it. That into there. Yuck. Okay. Back to the number 2. Let's take the limit switch section off, which I should have done before. Oh, I didn't need to see that drop down there. This grease just sticks things to you. Oh. Let's get that out of there. Oh, that was loose. Jeez. Okay. I'm going to try and undo that. Oh. What's the backlash in that? I can't see it. I'm holding the far out. I'm holding the potentiometer gear, and this gear is just going backwards and forwards. That would have had a big delay when it started to rotate. Okay, let's see if we can get this. I'll get this out of here now. Well, it's within the chassis here. Oh, it's loose. I didn't even have to use pliers on it. That was loose as well. Lack of servicing. Okay. Whole thing was loose everywhere. I'd have a guess that this. Oh, that's loose as well. Look at that. That's loose as well. Oh, that's the back of it's broken off. The little dimple was broken off, so who knows where that's gone to. Okay, well, let's get this top plate out. Yep, manky, toffee, grease. Yuck. Well, I dare say all these shafts. I just got one out. Jesus. Hands are got so much grease on them I can't grab the shaft. Things are sticking to me. Look how manky this is. Actually looks like someone's been in here with 2 different greases. One's a black grease and the other one's this. Don't mix your greases. Yeah, look, it's a browny grease on here. I think someone just chucked some extra grease in there. Probably dilithium sulfide or something, and it's reacted with other grease, is what normally happens. Yuck. Oh yeah, lovely. Not. Does the motor spin? Motor spins. Okay, that's a good sign. I'll check that out later on. Okay, we need to change our tip to our. Where'd he go? There he is. To the Allen key. There's 4 Allen keys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to take out. Maybe I should actually show you. So 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen keys. Hopefully they come out. This is what I was afraid of. So I didn't bring. What I should do is go get the other hammer gun. More noisier. This hammer gun has a bigger hammer section in it, I dare say. It makes a bit more noise, but it may not come out in it. There we go. Maybe I loosened it. Yeah. This one's got a lithium polymer pack of 3.3 ampere on the bottom of it. It's an older Zito really old thing, but it's got, when you look at the two side by side, just bigger, bulkier. But the battery pack, a 3 amp hour, 3.3 amp hour. I shoehorned on the bottom of that because the batteries all died in these things. Gives it so much more grunt. This is 11.1 volts, so I'll keep that as a backup here. I like the Zetos, but that's I like the Milwaukee's, I should say, but the Zeto is my backup. This one's only the smaller one of the Milwaukee's, but does most of the jobs I need it to do. Okay, let's see if we can grab this out of here. It's stuck. Doesn't even want to move. Oh, bloody hell. There we go. Now, let's see if we can get it out. Get your fingers down in amongst all the grease. Oh, yeah, actually come. Oh, yeah, one motor assembly. I'll be stripping this down as usual and doing some minor upgrades to the shafts in it, but I'll show you that in a later video. This is just a strip down of the main units. Okay, change our tips again to the Phillips. We're going to remove, again, looking down the side, we're going to remove these C-shape, what we can call a C-shape retainers, if it's a good word. They weren't even tight. Put the screws somewhere else. So clean this up. Wash up. Stuck to my finger. Okay, let's get the other one out. That's a bit better. Put them in there. That's there for cleaning. And as we've done 2 times before now, grab our side cutters. They go down this side here. These are all in the right position I need to go. Pushing them all the way through. On the back of it, get the side cutters. Gently grab it and take the C-clip out. E-clip, I should say. I keep calling C-clips, they're E-clips. Pop the shaft out. Hand in the road. One shaft out. Remove the wedge. It's had a bit of grease put on it over this time. Yep. Okay, turn him around. Push the shaft through, that will do there. It's on the back of it, so gently grab it. Of course, the wedge wants to come as well. And we pull the E-clip out. Don't drop it. Pull the shaft out. It's like a broken record. And that can go up. That should move the gears. For cleaning up. No, the wedge solenoid should come the other way, not this way. Righto. Again, that all looks in really good condition. There's been no water ingress here. Okay. Righty-o-ty. Another one stripped down, basically. All cleaned up. Okie dokie. Number 3 of the 1102s is done. Now we have the next one to go, which is actually an 1103. Supposedly. We won't only know that until we look at all the gearing. Okay, righty-o-ty, got a big mess in front of me. Catch you next video. Bye.